get a lot of requests for this one. It's lollipops made with chicken drumsticks. So what you want to do is go about halfway down the leg and just spiral it with a knife. Get a nice cut going over there. And then you want to put your thumb under the knuckle and push it from the flat side to the groove side, and it'll come right off. Then you want to push down your chicken leg, most of the meat, down to the knuckle and kind of form that lollipop section. You're going to have a few tendons in there, so you want to remove those with a pair of scissors. Next, we're going to get some bacon. We're going to slice it up. We like a little thick cut bacon. Slice it in half, wrap it around your lollipop, and attach it downward with a toothpick. Make sure both sides of the bacon are touching. Once you get the bacon on there, you want to push it down, make it nice and neat. Next thing we're going to do is add some Fire Disc Freakin' A Foul Rub. It's very, very good on chicken, and you're going to love them on these lollipops. Don't be shy with this rub. It's really, really good. So next thing you want to do is with your indirect fire, you want to add your lollipops leg up all around the indirect fire. Once you get your lollipops almost done, you want to glaze them up with some barbecue sauce. So what we're using today is some J. Lee's Sweet Heat barbecue sauce to glaze these lollipops. So once your lollipops come to about 165 degrees, you're done. You can put them up, plate them up, serve them up. People are going to go crazy for these. Hope you enjoy it. If you do this on your own, share it with us at Grillax.com or find us on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram. We're everywhere. We hope you enjoy it. Happy grilling.